$50. That's all it took. 3 weeks later, 20,000. Real footage. No editing, no tricks, just results.
Yes, it's real, but it's also risky. You start with $50 and one bad trade could erase it instantly. This is high stakes trading.
But think about it. What's $50 today? 2 coffees? A dinner? You risk the price of a night out lower for the chance of a lifetime.
A system like this should cost thousands, but during this pre-launch, you can access it for just 99 euros a month. Yes, say 99 euro.
We're not selling hype, Ted. We're building a founding community. Early users who test, grow, and profit together.
The link is in the description. Access the bot at the holiday price before it's gone. Welcome to the new era of automated trading.
Watch the full test video right now. You'll see the entire journey 50 to 20,000 trade by trade. No secrets, just proof.
What you're about to see is something truly special. A real test, not theory, not promises, just results. We started this journey with $50. No investors, no tricks, no manual trading, just one AI robot running completely on autopilot. And over the next few minutes, you'll watch exactly how that balance grows, tick by tick, trade by trade, until it turns into something that most people would never believe possible. This isn't about luck or chance, it's about precision. The system analyzes structure, momentum, and confirmation from multiple layers of data, then executes automatically the moment everything aligns. That's what makes it different. It doesn't guess, it reacts. So if you've ever wondered what happens when artificial intelligence meets trading, this is it. Keep watching. And remember, we started from just $50. Let's roll the footage.
saw the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Look at this. Don't forget, we started from $50, and in just a few days, the balance has grown to nearly $5,000. This is what happens when technology meets precision. The AI reads the market structure, detects the impulse, and executes trades automatically, faster and more accurate than any human ever could. Every move you see here is real. No shortcuts, just the robot reacting to live price action. It's calculating, adapting, and scaling into momentum second by second. And that's the beauty of it. You don't chase the chart. The system does the work for you. You don't guess direction. It waits for confirmation. You simply let it run. From $50 to thousands, completely automated. That's the kind of power most people never get to see in action. And this is just the beginning. Let's see how far it goes next. And the final result is near to come, from just $50 to over $20,000 in only 3 weeks. No hype, no promises, just technology doing exactly what it was built to do. Imagine what even a small win like this could mean for you, especially now when the holidays are coming. While most people are stressing over gifts, bills, and expenses, you could be running your own AI trader, silently working for you day and night. Think about it. One small balance, one smart decision, and your holidays could look completely different. No stress, no pressure, just abundance, freedom, and time for what really matters. And that's exactly why we opened this early access offer. Until the end of December, you can join as an early user for only €99 a month. After that, the system returns to its normal price, $500 and above. But right now, you have the chance to join before the public launch, experience everything firsthand, and build your results from day one. The link is in the description. Click it, activate your license, and start your own journey from 50 to freedom. The next story could be yours.